$15,000 and what do I do next?
Sure.
Well, a lot of the times do you want to spend $15,000 on lawyers to collect $15,000? Like it's kind of brutal. The answer is a little bit brutal. Like it
Yeah.
depends. Like if you're in an ownership with somebody and it's a contractual agreement, yes, go after them if they try to do something like that to you.
Yeah,
But if
absolutely.
you're an employee or even a 1099 contractor, it's very hard to enforce getting paid on certain things. You know what I mean? Like, hey, I sold that job, but it took 6 months to get paid, but they fired me in 5 months. So a company in their contract, it'll state that you have to be employed by them when they collect to legally have that money. So what a lot of companies do, like for me, they had me sell millions of dollars, and before I could collect, because in construction it's months out before commissions come
Sure.
in.
Yeah.
Before you collect, they could let me go and keep all that money legally. So really, what you want to do if you ever want to start a business, I think it's expensive trial and error. So if you work for a company,
Absolutely.
work hard, learn the people, meet the people, have those people love you, just build your pipeline, build connections,